Hi everyone, I'm John Archuleta. It's almost time for Christmas and the Salvation Army is doing its part in making sure everyone has a happy holiday this year. As part of its annual bell ringing program, the Salvation Army has invited several well-known faces to help raise money for those in need. And here to talk more about that is Major Lee Lizcano, Divisional Commander of the Salvation Army.
Good morning.
You so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about this event.
Sure. Well, tomorrow is Giving Tuesday, so the Salvation Army is having a special event at the Fashion Valley Mall called All-Star Bell Ringing. And we're going to have local all-stars ringing bells from 10 o'clock in the morning all the way through 8 p.m. at the Fashion Valley Mall.
Very good. Now, I know that I'm going to be doing it as well as UTTV's Kosher Patel, Louise Cruz,
yes,
as well as some other people from the other local TV stations.
Yes, they are as well. We have Ryan Matthews from the Chargers will be ringing the bell, and Chopper the biker dog, which a lot of people know.
Ah, very nice. Now, is this the first time that you've had the all-star bell ringing?
No, we've done this before, but this one's at Fashion Valley, and I think it's the largest number of all-stars, local all-stars that we've had.
Great. How successful has it been in the past?
Oh, very successful. People love to give and have helped out a lot throughout the season, but it's especially fun to help when there's an all-star at the bell.
All right. What would you tell those people who are heading out there tomorrow to shop if they stop by and they see us? Is there a limit on the amount that they can give?
Well, no, of course not. There's not, because the need is so great this year. We will be giving toys to some 14,000 children in San Diego County. Wow. Many, many families have already come to us that are just struggling to get by. And to be able to provide a special Christmas for them through our food and toys, well, the bells are needed for that. The kettles are what provides us the money to buy those food and help with those toys.
That's great. So every little bit is going to help out those families.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The generous people of San Diego, by giving into those kettles, not only tomorrow but throughout the season, really help us to help others.
Wonderful. Now, I know if some people can't make it out tomorrow, you also have the kettles set up in various locations throughout the holiday season.
Yes, they can go to any one of their favorite malls or many of the grocery stores, and they'll find the familiar red kettle there as a icon, as a symbol of giving this season.
All right. Anything else you want to add about this event?
Well, people can also go online to give at the red kettle online at the Salvation Army's sandiego.salvationarmy.org. But really, love to come by and see you tomorrow evening and see some of the others at the All-Star Bell Ringing Day.
All right. Well, we're certainly so happy to participate in this and help you guys out. And, you know, how about the families out there, too? Like you said, yes, it is the holiday season. This is the time when people, you know, really are hurting. And, you know, it's always nice to make sure that everyone has a happy holiday.
Yes, we want to make it a joyous Christmas for everyone, and so we need everyone's help. And thank you so much for what you do.
Thank you so much for inviting us to be a part of it. We're very honored to do it. Again, Major Lee Lizcano, thank you so much for joining us again. And for more information on this event, you can log on to sandiego.salvationarmy.org.